Welcome, Gain Trading Crypto channel and Biholkala over here. We're gonna do a vid today. What are we going to talk about? It's going to be a Degen style vid. I'm going to teach you guys how to recognize altcoins on high volume with low market cap. So these are Degens, these are solid projects. I don't do any meme coins or whatever. So I'm going to talk about solid fundamental projects, and I'm going to talk about the ones where the money is flowing into. So it's not about my top 10, not about my top 20 coins. This is really to recognize coins that are on high volume, and well, my attention is getting over there, especially if you're owning the M will killer indicator, the MW indicator, and you want to trade and make some money. So when those big bumps of 20, 30, 40, 50, 70% happen, you are in there. So that's what we're going to talk about. So I'm going to show you guys five altcoins that are on pretty high volume, very low market cap. So it's, you know, there are a lot more altcoins that are on high volume, just like a lot of meme coins, but they already have got a big market cap. And just to understand, to make the most money, you have to be trading the altcoins. Those are more explosive. So when the market cap is low, just like the first one that we're going to talk about, OGN, this is mind-blowing, 116 million volume on a 95 market cap coin. It has got a 190 fully diluted market cap. So this is looking good. These are the coins that I keep. I already talked about OGN. I told you guys that OGN, I don't know what's going on, but something else that I've been doing some research today, looking at the trends and etc. What I'm seeing is these altcoins that have got like, it's like a collectible. They call it collectible altcoins. So it's like, what is Origin Protocol? Origin Protocol is a blockchain platform for building decentralized marketplaces. It allows users to create and manage listings for various goods and services in a decentralized environment. It's really, and it's not only this coin. I saw like 2-3 coins that have been pumping, having the same utility, just like OGN. By the way, OGN is a pretty old dog, but you know, I like the reg charts, I like the coins that are in blood, and I like the ones that have got the best and biggest potentials to grow and to make those explosive gains. That's what I do. That's why we are also Gain Trading Crypto. We only follow the money. And second of all, I am not paid to talk about these altcoins. Nobody contacted me. So for full disclosure, I don't own these altcoins also. I don't own them. I'm planning on trading them. So I'm not, you know, by the way, guys, everyone that has been following me, subscribe to the channel, please. Push on that like, leave a comment below if you like the content. I'm showing you guys what I'm planning to do. That's all that I'm showing you, and I'm showing you with a lot of experience that I've got in crypto. So it's not because I saw some YouTuber talking about it. It's not because someone contacted me. It's just based on pure alpha and education. So that's what I do. So that's the coins that I chose today. So please, guys, be very careful when you're watching those YouTube vids and you're watching whatever influencer out there. Most of the time they're getting paid to talk about an altcoin, or they're invested in it or whatever. So be very careful. So for full disclosure, I don't own these coins. I'm planning on trading them. And why? Well, that's something that I'm going to explain to you guys now. So first of all, OGN, 116 million volume, 95 market cap, 190 fully market. This coin looks to me that it's ready to rocket up if Bitcoin allows. So that's the one. So this is no financial advice. Do the research on every single altcoin that I'm sharing. So do the research on it, and decide for yourself what to do. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. So first of all, we had this, it's really madness again and again and again. Look at this indicator, we're below it, this accumulation zone. I'm liking it a lot, by the way, guys. It was accumulating around 6 cents, accumulating, then boom, boom, boom. And then we get rejected on the indicator. By the way, if you don't have the indicator, there's a link below, description below, best indicator. There's a campaign going on with this indicator. It's getting famous. People are recognizing real alpha, and they're knowing that this indicator can save you so much money from dumps and pumps. So that's you should watch my vid of the MW indicator, and they'll understand exactly what I mean. So we had this rise up, rejected, then we had this monthly close. This was a very bearish one, but we were holding the indicator and this liquidation zone. So this would be a very, very good buying opportunity, by the way, but we're going to look at it at the weekly. So what are we seeing on the weekly? On the weekly, we're seeing the same. So it's now testing, trying to get above the indicator again. So let me now put it on the daily, because I want to show you guys this on the daily. On the daily, well, we broke and closed the daily candle above. So we were over here, we lost the indicator. As you guys can see, we came, tested this liquidation box over here, and then we started traveling below the indicator. As you guys can see, rejected, down again, rejected. And over here, we broke it. We broke it up. And then that's when TA comes in. So we've got the indicator doing its thing. Okay, thank you, indicator. Now just go away. Let us do our basic TA now. So this basic TA is that we're now getting rejected. So this was the first one, this was the second one, and this was the third one. Didn't even matter to touch it. But guys, if this thing either comes back to the indicator over here on the daily, so this region's over here. Let me put on a line so you guys can see the price. The price is 15 cents. So if it comes back to 50 cents or breaks out of here, that's when I will be interested in opening a lot of longs on OGN, because first of all, look at it. Where is it? Where are you? Where are you? Where is that thing? Over here. Look at it, guys. The volume is really mind-blowing. The volume is really mind-blowing. The fully diluted market cap is not the best, but it's good. It's good enough to trade and make some money on this one. So for now, listen, this could be an entry trading-wise for now. But just keep in mind that we've got this 20 cent is the 20 cent is the range that you have to be watching as resistance. So we're now testing the indicator. So this could be an entry, guys. This could be an entry. Let me see if the team opened up an entry over here, because this could be an entry. Let me see. Is the team opening? Did they open up a long position? Let me see if they did, because it's already up 10% today. So let me see. Did they open up a long position, yes or no? So I can tell you guys live now if they're in or not. Let me see if they're in or not. Are they in or are they not in? Let me see. I think that they should be in, but let me see. Well, it's not showing for now. It's not showing for now. So this is, by the way, guys, but I want to show you guys this on a 4-hour, guys. If this thing breaks out, so let me put on my alarm. So this is the alarm. This is the alarm. So this is another alarm. I want to see, and if this thing breaks out of this one with that volume going on, we could go big. So the first take profit would be over here, 25 cents. And the second take profit level would be over here at the 28 cent. And if these get broken also, well, then we could go very, very, very hard. So let me see if they're in. I think they're in. I can't see it, but I think they're in, because based on the indie, but because they traded. But by the way, guys, just to educate you guys, what they do is they trade the indie. So the indicator over here, they could have bought in over here. So if they buy in, but when they buy in, they trade the indicator, because while we are in the middle of this, of this triangle, whatever you want to call it. So they're in. If it gets invalidated, they might take a small loss and buy in at lower levels. So just to keep you guys informed, but I think that they are in a long over here. But I've been talking like 5 minutes now about the team, what they are doing. Let me show you guys. So first of all, if we will come back over here, this is very bullish, this buying zone over here. So on this volume, if this volume keeps holding on, we know that the money is here. And this is one of those coins that could make a big move up to the 28. And that's huge. That's huge. So keep your alarms. I just showed you guys how it's looking. I'm showing you guys what coin is on high volume. Let me go to the BTC pair. Look, guys, you know, when I choose a coin, know that there is a lot going on. It's not just, I'm not choosing these coins just based on whatever. So I have to see a lot of connections over here also, guys. Look at this. Let me put it on the monthly so you guys know how it's looking. Look at this, guys. Guys, look at this. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? This thing is totally wrecked. Totally wrecked. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look where OGN is against Bitcoin. And now we're testing this channel and we're testing the indicator at the same time. Is this bullish or bearish? This is very bearish. This is very bearish. So based on the volume, there is potential that if this thing decides, because we've got this box over here, you see this line? Look at this, guys. This box over here. We need to break this line. So let me put on my alarm over here. And if you guys are on your charts, I'm going to give you guys 5 seconds to also put your alarms over there. And I want you guys to push the like button and leave a comment. And I'll be back in 3 seconds. Thanks, retail fam, thank you. So guys, again, you have to combine those charts. It's not only about this chart that I showed you, it's about also this chart. I want this thing to break out because we had this nasty candle up and then rejected down. If we break out of this channel, we manage to close a weekly candle above it, that's when the growing will be, and also breaking this level over here. So the next level to watch then is this one and then this one, but by that time we will be making, we were making huge gains. So I hope that this thing breaks up. And the thing is, it could go and happen very fast. So you have to be really prepared for this. So if we get rejected, don't expect OGN to make a rise up. We will probably dump down. If we get rejected and this thing goes to the bottom of this channel, that's bearish. But if we will break this thing up, oh my God, that's pretty bullish, guys. So that's about OGN. So OGN, that's the first one, guys. It's on high volume, low market cap, fully diluted market cap. Is not the best, but it's good enough to be considering a long or maybe a spot long or whatever you want on OGN. So OGN, that's the first one. Also, by the way, guys, I have to be honest, I like OGN maybe the most out of the 5 that I'm going to talk about. You've got this one, Tensor. This is a new coin, guys. This is a new coin. I've been checking it. I think to myself, what is this? Where is this? And I think that Tensor, what Tensor is, it's also pretty the same like OGN. It's something with it's a Solana. You know, guys, how I feel about Solana, by the way. But it has got something to do with Solana NFT marketplace. You guys also know that I don't like that one, but the volume is really huge on Tensor. It's really, and it has been listed on a lot of on Binance, on OKX. So it has got a fully diluted market cap of 1 billion versus 133 million market cap. So this, what is going to happen with this one will get dumped very hard at some point. And I will tell you, free private group members, I will be ready to share when the team is going to short this one. So this one is not for longs. This one is going to get shorted at some point. But I will give a green light for that one. But if you look at this thing already made a big dump up. So I would not be interested in opening any longs or spot longs on this one. And that's why. Next one. Yes, audio. Audio is also, this is also, this why I'm telling you guys, these collectibles, altcoins, there is something going on. There is something going on. Because they're the ones that are pumping and are showing some strength. Look at audio, by the way, guys. It held the line over here very beautifully. Very beautifully. Do I have some data? Yes, we've got data over here, guys. 101 million volume on a 284 million market cap. And the fully diluted market cap is looking great, guys. It's looking great. So this coin, against the USDT, we're trying to break above it, and look at this accumulation zone, by the way, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know if something is going on at audio or whatever. I really don't care also. So we're traveling in this box. We bottomed out again. And look, you know how much percent this is? Well, how much percent is this? This is, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? That's why I'm telling you, we have to follow the blood. You have to follow the charts that look like this, guys. You have to understand TA. Please don't go follow those gurus that are getting paid to show you coins that are already over here somewhere or at tops. Find the altcoins that are bloody, fundamental, strong altcoins that are at bottom ranges, just like this one is. And look at it. Look, this move up is 80%, or what was it? What was it? This was at 150. So this is a 70-80% rise up already. You're not going to make 70-80% on coins that are already at all-time highs or whatever. Guys, you have to understand this, what I'm telling you. Please understand this. Why did I choose? The volume is really high. So for now, I'm waiting for this thing to see the close, the weekly close over here. Let me show you the BTC pair. I think it's the same. It's testing the indie. It's testing the indie. It's testing the indie. Rejected. Rejected. Look at this. Rejected. This candle, by the way, guys, if you want to understand TA, when you see a candle like this, or like this one, especially this one, look at it. These dumps are to be expected. This is a nasty candle. So now we're trying to get, look how wrecked this thing is. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. This is against Bitcoin, guys. Look at it. Look, we almost touched this box over here. This is super bullish. This green candle that you're seeing is based on TA. Listen, look at this. We bottomed out. This was in 2020. So since 2020, we came back to the bottom from here to here. 4 years later, almost 5 years later. Look at this, guys. So now it's suppose that we will close a candle above this and those wheels will start flipping Bitcoin into audio. You know what it will do to this price? It will just ramp up. So again, next target for me, if we break out, this is 65 cents. It's a 3x from here. It's a 3x from here. And I think that this is easy peasy. How do they say? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So guys, keep an eye on this one. And if you're trading it, we're gonna trade it. We're gonna trade it. Look, we broke the indie on the daily. We're trying to make a retest or whatever. But if you're trading it, put it on the 4 hour. And as you guys can see, we did not hit the 4 hour yet. So let me see on the 1 hour, how is it looking? Yeah, we're testing the 1 hour time frame now. Look at this rise up. We came back, test. They're holding the line. So if Bitcoin holds the line also, you're probably going to see a pump on audio. It might go to the top of this channel, and that's already a 2x almost. Guys, I'm showing you the blood. I'm showing you where the money is flowing. I'm showing you where the volume is. I'm showing you where the money is. I'm showing you the opportunities, and I'm showing you where MW indicator will make you the biggest gains. That's what I'm showing you over here. So that's about audio. So let me go to the next one. And also very old dog. Very old dog. It made a nice ramp up, but let me zoom out, guys. Let me zoom out so you guys can see where we are. Look at this, guys. This is a very old dog, by the way. KNC. This is a very old dog, and it has been accumulating for like forever. Forever. KNC against Bitcoin. Look at this, guys. These are the charts that I love. These are the charts I like. These are the charts I like to trade. These are the charts that are going to make me the biggest gains, and not the ones that are in the doing whatever. It's really mind blowing, guys. You have to be looking at this. You have to be looking at this way. Look, it's bottoming out against Bitcoin. KNC. Look at it. This was guys. If this thing alarm. If this thing gets above the indie, because look at this, rejected. Do you think that this is a coincidence? This is by far the best freaking indicator in the markets. They're just ain't no better. And I've seen them all. I've bought them all in the previous years, the best out there, and I'm not going to name them, but you know, this simple indicator is better than any I've seen so far. So guys, my alarms are set. If KNC will break out against Bitcoin over here, you might see more volume. 32 million volume at this moment. That's a lot. That's almost, what is it, 20% on the market cap. Fully is also looking good. So guys, this thing, keep an eye on this thing. Also here on the USDT pair, look at this, guys. Look at this. We're testing it on the weekly. Let me go to some lower time frames. We're holding the India and the 4 hour. Let me go to the 1 hour. Look at this, guys. They're all the same. You see, they're all the same. But these are the coins with the biggest volumes at this moment. So we might see another leg up over here. So that's about KNC. Let me go to another one, but I'm not liking, you know, this say is really a coin that I think that will do great, but you know, the fully diluted market cap is something that I don't like. It's so sad. The fully diluted market, let me give you guys how much it is, and that's what I'm not liking. But I think that say network will do really great. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is a 1.4 against 5 billion, so it's a 3x. So that's what I'm not liking. But with the volume going on, because there's 100 million volume going on over here, and we're holding the indicator perfectly over here. So as long as this line over here is holding and this line is holding, maybe we can make some trades, because even though it's for spot trading and holding long term, I don't think that say is the best coin for you now. Right? I think that SUI is much better. But guys, we have to respect the indicator, and the indicator is showing us something, that there is some price action going on over here. And over here we're testing at this moment the indicator on the 4 hour. So if we will get some more volume in over here, especially against Bitcoin, and it breaks out of this, let me show you guys, because we're in a sort of falling wedge over here. If we will break out, we might get some volume, and then we might target maybe this one over here. So it's nice money. I'll take it short term. Just go in, go out. That's all there is. I want to show you guys another one while we're here, and why not? Let me show you guys this one. Hook. Look at this. I was watching Hook. Why not Hook? Look at Hook. It's really ranging over here, and it's trying to get up again. But also the same for Hook. I'm not liking the fully diluted market cap. That's about that. Let me show you guys something else. PEPE. Let's go to PEPE. Well, I'm just going to show you guys the chart. Well, you take it how you want. PEPE. The team already started DCA on their long-term, mid-term portfolio, trading portfolio. They are going to short PEPE. That's what the team is going to do. But the team, they are professional traders. So please, if you don't have any experience in leverage trading, don't do what the team does, because the team knows exactly what they're doing and how they do it. But you know, the team is really even when they are in a short, they are really hoping that PEPE will reach the 18 until 20 cent regions over here. They really want this box to get hit. And when that box gets hit, they will be opening a huge position in shorts. But they know how to short it. So PEPE, please give them that extra leg up. From here, it's 15 cents. So it's like, how much percent do they need? They need something like from 20% until the 30%. So for PEPE, it's nothing. PEPE can make those moves in a day. PEPE can make one big liquidate, some shorts that don't know how to leverage trade. They might liquidate them over here, and then they will start filling in very heavy, the team. Because why? Because they're gain traders. Why? Because they want to make money. Why? Because they don't care about any altcoin out there. They only care about making gains. So PEPE, guys, PEPE. They already are in short very slowly. I don't know if they opened up a long indicator. I really have no clue because they were shorting it yesterday. They shorted it yesterday and they made some nice gains. Over here we're holding the indicator on the 50 minutes, so maybe they're even going to open up a long here to make some money, to flip that money over here in a short. So that's what they're doing, they're chasing it down. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Push on that like. For the ones that have been applying for the free private group and the trading course vids, there are 3 links below. Number 1, Weex. The Weex token is coming, guys. I'm getting some updates today. It's really coming, it's going to happen. We're going to get, we have Weex, so a non-KYC USA and Canada license, so you just can trade. It's the best non-KYC exchange in my opinion. Link is below. OKX, second biggest exchange in the world, so many futures. Really, I think that OKX has got the best futures from all exchanges, by the way, to be honest. Trading bots, this, that, a lot of things going on OKX. Also, guys, keep an eye on OKX because OKX is, I think, is going to get a lot of airdrop and pre-sale opportunities for the coming months, buying in on some very, very cheap altcoins. Also, we've got the Maxi for the degens. So Maxi, the team only trades altcoins that they can trade on Weex and on OKX. That's when they go to Maxi and trade those degen altcoins. So be very careful with Maxi. That's all I have to say. So if you want to join us, open up an account on one of those 3 and then DM me on X or on TG. There is a link below of my X account. It's M Wilkeler. DM me your UID number and I will add you to the group if you're active trading and are having a funded account, and you will also get directly the best trading indicator in the markets, in my opinion. Show some love, leave a comment below, have a nice one, and bye-bye.